Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Moon Knight. So we're going to go through it step by step, and it's just going to be like a headshot of Moon Knight, maybe a little bit of his chest so you can see that symbol. It's for obviously the new Disney series coming out, and I just kind of want to draw this guy. All right, that's pretty much it. Let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do here, and he's wearing a hoodie, right? So the hoodie has this kind of like centerpiece coming down like this. So we're gonna start with a V, that V shape for kind of the center of his mask. So it's like a hoodie with an extra like bit, going forward like that. Down, out right here for the out, the hoodie area. Down here. Down over here. Out. Down. Pull back. Pull back. Before anything else, I'm going to draw the face inside there. The eyes. I'm going to start over here on the left side, and I'm going to go over here and draw up, out, down. Down here, pull back. Going over here on this side, pull up, out, down. For the other eye. You can just kind of have them floating in there. Alright. You can do a couple of things, which is what we're going to do. We're going to do kind of him in... Well, right here. I'm going to find the left side over here, down here. And you're finding the mask. Out over here, down here, the mask there. It's going to be the edge of his mask. And you can kind of close off the bottom there, because I could say that that would be his mask as well. And I'm going to draw a thinner line here connecting the eyes. Thinner line here across, and he's got a kind of like a mummy mask going on. So line across there, line across here, line across here. Imagine like the mummy wraps. Just kind of throwing these lines across there, kind of overlapping here every now and then. But I would try to make those thinner. Gonna go over here to the top now. Kind of mark off the top of the head. Don't make it too tall. Look, so there's a few marks. There's the top of the head, over here on the right and the left side of the head, and then over here on the right on the outside. This is gonna be closer to it. I like to mark out where I'm gonna put these. So I'm gonna go over here, in a little bit, pull back up, down, in, pull back up, down here, down over here, pull back here, in. I'm going to throw a thin line. It's going to be like the seam. Thin line. Alright. Sorry, I have like a sniffly thing going on. I'm going to pull out over here for the rest of the cape. Down over here, in. Pulling out over here, pulling out over here. Out over here. And I'm gonna draw the C shape. It looks like a C, right? It's a C shape initially. And then pulling in here for, it's obviously like a moon, right? Line over here. Making draw at the bottom of the flat right here, like the pectoralis area for the chest, and maybe draw the rest of the cape down there. So something big we got to do before anything else. I got to fill in this part right here. See that? And with black. So I'm gonna fill that in, most of that, not all of it. I can probably leave some of the eyes, maybe, I don't know, a little bit of the eye shape over here. Not really. Nah. to be honest, he's gonna probably be in darkness, so I'm gonna fill that whole shape in dark because his hoodie's causing a shadow onto his face, and that's a big part of his look. And I'm going to draw maybe a line here to show that there's shadow, you know, dropping down from, you know, the jaw there. A few other things you can add a couple more folds right here, maybe with thicker lines for some shadow here. Line over here, line over here, line over here. You know, along the tape here, you can add maybe thin lines. But that's mostly it. That's mostly Moon Knight. Did I say Moon Knight the whole time, or was I saying Moonshine? Hopefully I was saying Moon Knight the whole time. It was Moon Knight. But anyways, if not, so be it. You can maybe make some dark right here in the armpit area. Right there. And it would kind of carry down a little bit. We can draw down here to the abdominal region. But nothing too wild. Nothing too wild here. Alright, there you go. And that's Moon Knight. Hopefully you dug that. Hit the like if you did enjoy it. And I'll see you next time, okay? Don't forget to hit the subscribe as well. We're coming up on, I think, close to, well, not close, but far away from 200,000 followers. But definitely, you know, that would be great to hit that this year. And I will talk to you in the next video, and I'll see you very soon, all right? See you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.